Beneath its sleek exterior, the Bell Invictus 360 is packed with state-of-the-art avionics and mission systems that make it a true force multiplier. The cockpit is where technology meets intuition, designed to give pilots unparalleled control and situational awareness. Inside, pilots are greeted by a fully digital glass cockpit that features large touchscreen displays. These screens provide real-time data on everything from the helicopter's operational status to detailed mission parameters, allowing pilots to make informed decisions in the heat of battle. What truly sets the Invictus 360 apart is its ability to integrate with a wide range of sensors and weapon systems. The helicopter is equipped with a sophisticated sensor suite, including electro-optical infrared sensors, synthetic aperture radar, and laser rangefinders.